we are using innovation learning to find out the shortest path by using the algorithm. We have the point A to Z and we have to find the shortest distance between them. Here, A point is directly connected to B and directly connected to C, and A is not directly connected to point B, E and Z. The point A is B and the distance between A and B is 1. The distance between A to C is 4. So, the minimum distance between A to B is 1.
So, the final distance is A to B, that is 1. Now, the point B is directly connected with point B, point D and point C. So, the distance from point B to C is 2 and B to D is 5 and B to E is 7. So, the final minimum distance is B to C, that is 2. So, the final minimum distance from A to C is 3.
Between point A and point C, which is 3. Now you can see that point C is directly connected to point D, which is the distance 1. And then also the point B is connected to point D, which is the distance 5, which is the maximum distance, and the point C to D is the minimum distance. So the shortest distance we have got is between points A and point D, which is 4.
Now the final distance from A to D is A, B, C and D, that is 4. And the distance from D to E is 3 and distance from B to Z is 6. And the minimum distance from D to E is 3. And the total distance from A to E is 7.
So, the final minimum considered path is A, B, C, D, E, that is 7. Now, the point T is directly connected with point Z, that is 3. So, the final minimum path is A, B, C, D, E, Z, that is 10. And also the second path is A, B, C, D, Z, that is also 10.